Hey guys, welcome back. So we're doing another Skims haul. I mean, I haven't done one since maybe the springtime, so I was definitely due for another haul because I freaking love Skims. You guys know this is my favorite brand ever, so I had to get a few more pieces and I'm just excited to show it to you guys. Before I get into the video, I am so sorry for the way that I sound. I am so congested, so I'm gonna be drinking my tea throughout the entire video just because I need it, but I was not about to let any little congestion or anything get in the way of me showing you guys what I picked up, because I just got my Skims package delivered like a day ago and I was like, I need to show them what I got because I love everything already, of course, because I'm obsessed with Skims. And you know what? I actually know some people who are like, I'm not a fan of the Kardashians, but I love Skims. And I'm like, you don't have to be a fan of the Kardashians to love this product because it is just so different. And you would think that I work for them with how much I talk them up, but I don't. These are just my honest thoughts. I have my package right here. I love this so much. It's just the box, Stephanie, like relax. But what's inside the box I love. So I wanted to pick up like a couple of loungewear pieces because I think I only have one loungewear top from her, and then I have the other two bodysuits. I have a bralette. So I wanted something that was a little bit more loungy. So let's get started with my absolute favorite thing that I picked up from her ever, and that says a lot. So the first thing that I really freaking am excited about is what I'm wearing right now. Like, I had to wear it already because I'm this obsessed. So this is the soft lounge long slip dress. This is the first thing that I ordered, and literally I saw, like, I got the email from Skims saying that they had a new like soft lounge drop, and I got this email right when I was on the airplane coming back from vacation, and I placed the order right before we took off because I've been waiting for this dress to get back in stock for so freaking long. You have no idea. It's always sold out, and I think it's because it kind of went viral on social media. Like, people started making like so many videos about this dress and how comfortable it is, how much they love it. So that's why I wanted to try it, but I finally was able to get my hands on this dress. This is the soft lounge long slip dress in the color wood. I got this in a size medium. Love everything about it. Okay, so this is what I was the most excited for, and it did not disappoint whatsoever. Like, oh my god, this is amazing, you guys. It has adjustable straps in the back just in case you want to make it tighter or looser, and then it obviously has this square neck in the front, and then it goes all the way down. Let me back up a little bit, all the way down so that it's kind of just like at your feet, and it's just sweeping the floor, and it kind of just goes out at the bottom while just hugging your entire body all the way down. Now, the one thing that I noticed when I first opened up the package for this dress is the fact that the dress has a silhouette of like curves. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but a lot of the times when I get dresses that are like this, it normally just, it has a little bit of a figure, only not really. Some of them don't have a figure at all, but this one really had like that hourglass shape. When I ordered this, I thought that the fabric was just gonna be like a nice smooth fabric, but it's actually a ribbed type of fabric, which I didn't expect. But honestly, this doesn't feel too much, like when I put it on, it doesn't feel too much like a ribbed fabric. It just feels so smooth. It feels like it was made for me, which is insane. I don't normally say that about everything, but the tone is so nice. This is so comfortable. I've never bought anything like this to go to sleep, but honestly, I might try it out and see if it's comfortable enough, because it just feels like second skin. And now I see why it was so hard to get my hands on it, because this is amazing. Another reason why I really love Skims is the fact that whatever you wear just flatters your body, no matter what type of body you have, at least in my opinion, because like, I feel like this flatters me in the best way, even up top, and all of her tops do that for me. Even though I don't have like the biggest chest or anything like that, it just makes me feel very comfortable in the body that I have, which is perfect. I love that. Everything, I chose a size medium. Every color is X'd out. You guys, if you want this dress, and I 100% guarantee that you are gonna be happy with this dress, then I would recommend signing up for her notifications and just buying it the second that you get the email that she dropped this dress, because that's the only way you'll be able to get your hands on this. Okay, so next now that we have my favorite piece out of the way, I want to get into a couple of more loungewear pieces. So I picked up a set, or I like made my own set, I guess, and I got some more soft lounge pieces. So the first thing that I got was the soft lounge racer tank in heather gray. This one was $34, and I really just wanted something that was going to be really comfortable to lounge around in. I do have one of her other tank tops that's supposed to be just for lounge, and you guys have seen it on my channel so many times, but I wanted another one because I feel like I'm wearing that one out, like no joke. I wanted something that was going to be a little bit more high neck than the one that I have. I love racer backs just for lounging, and this one is also cropped, which I really did like. So I got this one in a size small, and then I got the matching bottoms. So these are the soft lounge sleep pants, and I was kind of in between like the shorts and the pants, but I decided to go with the pants because it's getting colder, so I want something that's just gonna be nice and long and comfortable. I got these pants in a size medium. So I got this set and I really like it, except I feel like with the pants I could have gone a size down, and this is why. I don't know if you guys can really see this, but there's a little bit of space right here, and I noticed the space at the back too. So it does have a little bit of space, and I had to tighten the waist a little bit more than usual. But besides that, the fabric is the same exact fabric as the dress that I showed you guys for both the top and the bottom. So they are both ribbed. They both feel so light and airy. I wanted this top because I wanted something that was more like racer back. So this is what the back of it looks like. It's racer, it's nice, it's comfortable. So it does have like a drawstring at the waist, and then it's all the way down the leg. But yeah, the only thing that I wish I would have done was just get a size down. Like I would never ever have said like I should have gotten a small in my bottoms, because I'm never a small in the bottoms. But this kind of space is just giving me a little bit of like, I don't know, it's just making me feel like I should have gone a size down, but I'm gonna keep this size anyway. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the drawstring goes on the inside. I don't know why I'm wearing it hanging out as if it goes like that. It goes on the inside, so it's hidden. Okay, so next, I love the triangle bralette that I picked up during my first haul. It's literally the only thing that I wear. I stopped wearing padded bras because of this specific bra. But the one that I bought last time, I think it was like one of the mesh ones, because it had like a mesh lining on the inside, and that was just supposed to hold you in really well. But this one is the Fits Me triangle bralette, and I got this thinking that it was the same one that I picked up last time, but it wasn't. This one's actually different. It doesn't have the mesh lining on the inside like the other one did. It's just double lined with the same fabric. And another difference between that one and this one is that the back does not have a clasp for you to open and close, so you just have to put it on over your head. And then it has adjustable straps. It is so soft, and honestly I love this one. I think I like this one a little bit more than the other bralette that I have, just because I feel like it makes everything just look a little bit better. Like it accentuates everything, it holds everything in really nicely. Okay, so this is the Fits Everybody triangle bralette. And like I said, whatever I wear from Skims, it just makes me feel like 10,000 times better about myself. I don't know what it is. I feel like she did such a great job of just making sure that everything hugs the way that it's supposed to, and she does it so differently than anybody else. Up top I got a size medium. I'm normally a size 34C, so I got this one in the color Sienna. I love wearing these under tank tops, under t-shirts, under everything, because it just makes me feel so freaking great. So another thing that I also got from the Fits Everybody line was just a long sleeve t-shirt, because after I got her bodysuits, I wanted to try one of her long sleeve t-shirts for the fall and winter time, because I don't want to be wearing bodysuits all the time during the fall and the winter when it's colder outside. But one thing that I don't like from other long sleeve t-shirts is that I don't like when it's too tight and just bunches up under your arms, and then it just looks weird. And I also don't like when you get your size and it fits a little bulky on like certain areas of your body. I didn't want something that was just gonna be awkward on me, so I decided to just buy one this time to kind of try it out and see how I liked the fit, see how I liked it, and I really was not disappointed at all. Both the bralette and the long sleeve t-shirt are in a size medium, and they're both in the color Sienna. So like I said, this is part of the Fits Everybody line. It is full length, so it's not cropped at all. Okay, so this is the Fits Everybody long sleeve t-shirt, and I feel like under all of the lights it's probably looking a little bit transparent. In like real life, like in person, it's not as transparent as being under the lights, but it is still a little tiny bit see-through, only not really. So I'm wearing the bralette underneath it. I'm wearing the lounge pants just because I haven't changed or anything like that. Comes all the way down below your belly button, so it is normal size. And I bought this not to lounge around in or anything like that, but I bought this so that I can go outside, wear a long sleeve that's actually comfortable, that's gonna last a long time. I wanted to try her long sleeve shirts out for so freaking long, but I didn't know what color to start off with because one, the colors that I wanted were always either sold out or sold out. So I bought this one because it was one of the colors that wasn't sold out, and I feel like it's a really nice neutral. Again, this is the color Sienna, and she has a lot of really nice neutral colors for everybody. And honestly, I saw it on the models, and you know how on the Skims website you can see like this shirt, for example, in so many different model sizes. It's amazing, and it looked really great on everybody. It makes everything look really, really good, and this is so comfortable, so light, so airy. So I'm excited to try more of her long sleeves because this one was pretty freaking good. And that is it. That's everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love everything that I always get from Skims. I feel like I'm never disappointed with anything. I never have to return anything. I just really wish that there was a Skims store or like a Nordstrom that actually had Skims product in stock near me, because my Nordstrom never has anything in stock. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you did down in the comments below. Is there anything that you think I should try out? Because I would love to try new things. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.